A vibrant marketplace bursts with life, a symphony of bartering and laughter filling the air. Young Fatima haggles for dates, her eyes sparkling with youthful energy amidst the colorful chaos. A blind beggar sits serenely, an oasis of calm radiating peace in the bustling marketplace. Fatima drops a coin into the beggar's bowl, a small act of kindness in the vibrant scene. "May your path be guided by the light of truth," the beggar says softly as Fatima walks away thoughtfully. Intricate lamps cast a soft glow as Sheikh Omar leads the evening prayers, his voice echoing through the beautifully adorned mosque. A sudden, unexplained breeze stirs the air, carrying the delicate scent of roses, a subtle sign noticed by the worshippers. Sheikh Omar pauses, his eyes reflecting a deep emotion, then continues the prayer with renewed passion and fervor. The Arabic music swells, enveloping the mosque in a wave of spiritual transcendence, heightening the divine atmosphere. Faces turn upwards, lost in reverence as the scent of roses intensifies, a palpable sense of divine presence filling the sacred space. Beneath the merciless sun, a lone traveler, Karim, battles exhaustion, his eyes fixed on the distant, shimmering promise of an oasis. With a final surge of desperation, he collapses at the oasis's edge, the cool whisper of water a cruel taunt to his parched throat. A mysterious figure emerges from the heat haze, offering Karim life-giving water from a gleaming silver flask. Revitalized, Karim looks up to express his gratitude, a profound sense of relief washing over him. But the figure has vanished, leaving no trace but footprints that the desert winds are already claiming. Karim is alone once more, humbled by the desert's stark beauty and the fleeting nature of its miracles. In a dimly lit calligraphy workshop, Yusuf, a master in his twilight years, hunches over his workbench, the air thick with the scent of aged ink. His brow furrowed, he meticulously crafts Quranic verses about justice, but struggles, a sense of inadequacy washing over him as his hand trembles. He attempts a stroke again and again, each failure deepening his frustration, the delicate paper absorbing his repeated efforts. Suddenly, a beam of sunlight pierces the grimy window, illuminating his hand with divine light. Guided as if by an unseen force, his brush moves with effortless precision, completing the calligraphy with newfound grace. A look of profound realization dawns on his face, capturing a message of hope and divine justice in the intricate artwork. The city basks in the sunset's glow, a sprawling tapestry of buildings painted in hues of gold and shadow. The call to prayer echoes, a spiritual embrace drawing the city's inhabitants closer under the vast sky. Fatima gazes towards the horizon, her face etched with quiet hope as the sun dips below the skyline. Sheikh Omar, lost in contemplation, turns his face to the setting sun, his eyes reflecting a deep faith. Karim stands silhouetted against the fiery sky, his expression a mixture of anticipation and solemnity. Yusuf, like the others, faces the horizon, his heart filled with a silent prayer and unwavering belief.